Okay. Okay, watch this. This is really exciting. Ready? Megan and I are gonna do a magic trick. AJ is gonna be in the same place.
Mm-hmm.
Ah! How cool is that? Now I'm over there. Yeah, that was cool. Okay. Did you see that come in? Because we just switched back again.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy.
I'm so excited.
Who'd
Okay.
have thunk it?
I was gonna say something on this one. I don't know. Anyway.
There's Bono. He's our bodyguard.
Oh,
Bono.
I'm gonna try to do some like special effects here. Hang on. Let's see if I.
Oh my!
Whoa,
Lightning! Oh, thunder! Oh,
thunder! Okay, look, we got some little angels and demons running
Oh
around.
my! Oh, I have an angel. Catch it! Oh damn!
Stars. They're over my head, Megan.
Well,
Let's
fine.
make them over your head just a second.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, they're gone. Never mind.
What the heck?
Let's turn that color.
What the stars?
Woo!
Oh my!
That's cool. I like this one. Let's stay on
My
this.
hair's sparkling.
We're gonna do a video in black and white, guys!
Because we're old-fashioned.
Okay, yeah, we really have to get ready to go to Rent. We've made like 4 videos and
Yeah.
in like one sitting, so one more magic trick.